Safety first. #1 rule, right? Buckle up, especially when you got a little one in the back. But welcome everybody, and today, like I said, we were going somewhere. This morning we're currently in Temecula, California. That's about 2 hours away from where we live.
No.
And now we're making our second leg of the trip, and we're going to Yuma, Arizona. So we're going out there to visit some old friends, check out some of their cars because one, he has an Evo, and secondly, his wife has a WRX. So I fit right in the middle of both of those, kind of, if you want to think about it that way. It's not an Evo, but it's the equivalent of the WRX for Subaru. So we're gonna go check out our old stomping grounds, visit some old friends, have a good time, and then check out the cars while we're at it. Snag some cool pictures because Yuma is known for being the desert and the devil's armpit of Arizona. It's really hot, but right now obviously it's still the winter and it's gonna be feeling pretty good outside. It's gonna be our first time being back since we've moved there. But enough talking, we're gonna go hit the road and we'll get there in time for doing things because Yuma is an hour forward. Yeah, Yuma's an hour forward of California right now. So hit the road and we'll see if we see anything along the road worth showing you guys. If not, we'll see you in Yuma. Mexico. That's probably the closest Heather is ever gonna get away from the States for now, and same for Bryson. But yeah, you can definitely see the fence from the highway. We're on Freeway 8, Interstate 8, sorry. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the GPS. It's actually pretty cool. If you notice, it says Mexico and United States right there.
We're on the freeway right here.
So the border right out that way. There's some sand dunes. You guys can't see the fence right now, but trust me, it's out there. You can physically see it. If we can get the shot, we'll get the shot for you. If not, then I'm sorry. You just gotta kind of believe us. Goes right up the hill. The real MVP right there.
Change the world.
So you're probably wondering where we just stopped. That was the Imperial Dunes. That's maybe about 10 minutes outside of Winter Haven, California, which Winter Haven is about another 5 minutes out from California and Arizona border. So we're quickly approaching Yuma and the Arizona border. What do you think?
Feels good to be back.
It does feel good to be back, and it feels good to be back during the yeah, the not so hot season, because Yuma definitely gets really hot, maybe up to like 120s in the summertime and everything. Not fun at all, so good time to be visiting. My old home of single life right here, the barracks. Spent some time up in here. So 513, I spent a deployment. We went on a Mew, checked out Japan. And that's a good old time, pretty much like a vacation almost, so to say. 211, we did a special purpose MAGTF out in the Middle East and took care of some ISIS guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a drive-by of our old flight line, the old stomping ground of work. I can't really show you guys anything, but yeah. And there's the old home, BMA 211 Avengers Harrier unit, now decommissioned to a F-35 one. And ordnance used to sit right there. And that's where our jets used to belong, right underneath those canopies. Very rich in history, VMA 211 was. Wake Island Adventures. Good old memory lane, just past our old house, and now we're gonna go meet up with our friends. The memories are real. Look at this Evo in this parking lot over here. Let's go see Trevor and Caitlin.
Come on.
Low speed 3 right there. Who's that?
Bryson, say hi.
What are you on? There you go.
Oh look, it's cute. Like we're in a go-kart.
Gotta make sure she don't crash my car.
What?
At least it smells nice and clean in here.
It's time for this
Right.
boy to take a nap.
He does need a nap. He's been cranky throughout the day, so finally get him situated. Gotta set up the bed and everything. But from here, I'm pretty much gonna call it a vlog. Made it to Yuma safely. Ate some lunch with some friends. Got some pictures. I'll be posting those on my Instagram and everything. And then tomorrow we'll probably do a in-depth review of his car. So he does have a, I think it's a 2014 or 2015 Evo. It's an MR. And then his wife also has a 2015, is it 2015 or 2016?
2016.
I think it's a 2016 Subaru WRX. So stay tuned for that. We'll try to get some reviews going for you guys. Other than that, I'll say thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
And I'm feeling
So Bryson's gonna touch another piece of water. I think this is your first lake, dude.
Oh wait, did he touch Big Bear Lake?
Actually, yeah, he did touch Big Bear Lake.
This was my first lake that I've ever seen though. Go ahead, touch it. Yeah, is that cold?
Someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true. We can be true. I want you to see what I see in us.
So what we just did was stop at the Lake Martinez campgrounds that Marine Corps Air Station Yuma has over here. We had a couple spots to take some pictures. We went and looked at the water. Before we had Bryson, we actually used to go kayaking out here when we actually lived here. It was a lot of fun. Brought back some memories.
And if you guys look at the road, we're on unpaved dirt road. It's pretty fun. Got my buddy Trevor's Evo. You guys have seen him around on that channel now. And yeah, so we're getting our cars all nice and dirty.
So real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever, love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
As bad as I'm gonna lose, you wanna do a pool?